Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Why your fitness studio isn't getting reviews and how to fix it? Are your clients walking out of your gym pumped and happy, but never leaving a review? You're not alone. Most fitness studios miss out on valuable reviews simply because they don't follow up. But the fix is easier than you think, and it's automated. Today, we'll show you why your reviews are dropping off and how Thryv's Review Automation tool can turn your happy clients into returning customers. Automate your review requests with Thryv. Thryv lets you set up a system that automatically asks your clients to leave a review right after their session, via email or text, when they're still feeling the buzz. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Log into your Thryv dashboard, go to link in the description, sign up or sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Marketing greater than Online Presence. This is where you can manage your review settings. Step 3. Click Automated Campaigns. Choose the campaign template. Request reviews. Step 4. Customize the message. Set your message tone. Friendly, short, and post-workout specific. Example. Hey, first name. Great job today. We'd love your feedback. Can you leave us a quick review? Step 5. Choose timing. Select when the review request should be sent. For fitness sessions, 30 minutes to 1 hour post-session works best. Step 6. Choose channels. Enable text and email to reach your clients where they're most active. Step 7. Go live, save, and activate your automation. And just like that, your reviews are growing even when you're not asking in person. More reviews mean more trust. More trust means more clients. And more clients? Well, that's more growth for your business. So don't leave reviews to chance. Automate it with Thryv. To get started, click on the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.